Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into site and store of Bitrix24 and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit that like button and let's get started. So first of all, we have to log in our Bitrix24 account and in the left side, you will get all the icons in which we have to select and click on the site and store. After clicking on site and store, there will be a site and store panel.
हेलो
So here we have multiple templates over there. So if you
जी
want
सर।
to create, then you can use this template also. There is new feature
इसी
that
पीसी
is
पे साउंड एंड
created
दोनों
with
रखते हैं।
Copilot. So there is another feature. So if you want any AI tool,
इसका चालू करना बाकी
Copilot
सब टॉप पे
related,
है
any
स्पीकर।
information you want,
ईशा
and
सुनो ना।
you want to create by AI, then you can use this Copilot feature.
जो
Also,
अपना
here you
बुकिंग है
will
ना,
get the site and store
वो
and
बुकिंग पे हम
online
ट्राई करने
store.
वाले हैं
So
ऊपर से
here
बुकिंग
you
करने
will
का।
see all the templates are
एक
there.
बार
If
जिन
you
जिन
want
का
to
चेक बॉक्सेस
create,
हुआ
then
है वो
you have
पॉज
to
करना
just
पड़ेगा आपको।
click on the create option.
कौन से प्रोजेक्ट के
After
लिए सेलेक्ट
clicking
करना है
on
हमको?
this, you will get the
ऑयस्टर के लिए।
templates. If you want to select any template, then you can
सॉरी।
use these templates. If you want to use empty template, then you can
करेक्ट।
use this empty template. And just I said that if you want to use Copilot, so that you can
सर
directly
फिनिश
create
सर।
any site and store by the Copilot just
दो।
on one click. So here I am clicking on the first option, that is create new. After clicking on option, you can send any comment over there. So I'm just writing any comment over there. Create a website for the
हाँ जी।
company
हेलो।
प्रतीक सर करें स्टार्ट।
with
हाँ, आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं 2 मिनट में, क्योंकि
vertical
उसको चेक बॉक्सेस पॉज करना पड़ेगा ना अपने को।
menus.
वो
So
शायद
here
कुछ
is
नहीं
this
थी क्या ऑस्टर
template,
वाले फॉन्ट से सारे।
and here we have to
करेगी बोल रही है।
अच्छा।
add features. So you can see your site will
सारे हो गए
be
ना?
created. It will
ठीक है।
take some time to load
ठीक है।
this. So you can see here is the website that we have
और मैं
created by the
कस्टमर को हिट
Copilot.
करूंगा सर।
You can see
और
over
कोई भी
there.
एरर रहेगी तो मेरी कैलकुलेटर में नीचे शो हो
This
जाएगी
is
सर। अब
creating the
मैंने
site.
कस्टमर को हिट किया है सर। देखिए।
सुनिए ना मैम,
It will take
वो जो
some
कस्टमर
time
का
to load the
वो जो
images
कस्टमर्स
and
दिखाना एक
all
बार सारे।
the formats that it is automatically
तो ये वाले
creating
सर।
in your website.
फ्रेशर्स का।
So here it is a website that we have created. You can see the vertical menus are there and their first page and then project related details with the images. Also there are features, what features are there, unique features are there. You can edit this
ईशा,
template and you can add your
हेलो।
data into that particular website,
अभी के लिए सारी
and you
बुकिंग
can
कंफर्म नहीं
create
रखना।
your own website by using these
मैं
templates.
बुकिंग इन
So
प्रोसेस
just
छोड़ के
like that,
बाकी
you
सारी
can
बुकिंग
create
कंफर्म रख
multiple
दो, एंकर में मत
websites
रखना।
through the Copilot option. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below and I will see you in the
हाँ,
next
कोई बात
one.
नहीं।
Thank you.
ओके।